how to stop the apps from using the background data on your Android mobile. Step 1, open the Android settings. I am using the Huawei mobile, so if you are not using Huawei, your Android settings might differ from that of mine, so you have to keep that thing in mind. But in any case, you have to look for the apps, and if you don't find, you can simply search the Android settings on the top of the setting options. My apps option is here, and within the apps you have to again select the apps. This will pop up the list of all the apps that are installed on your mobile. So you need to select the app for which you want to disable the background data. So I'll just select this app, Adobe Capture, and within this app setting option, look for the data usage, and in that you will see the option of background data somewhere here, and you can simply toggle it to off position, and now you can see that the background data is not allowed. If you want to find out how you can remove this Google search bar from your home screen, check out this video which is displayed in the end screen card right now. In any case, thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.